We have to go now. It's urgent. Stay together, okay?
Good boy, we will come back soon.
Lock it now, Sreeja.
Are we alone now? Just us two. It's fine. Let's clean the house before they come back. Two plates of rice, please. Can we get mango juice too? Yes, Neil. Thank you. This is nice. Just us. Yes, but I still miss Mother's cooking. Sreeja, did you hear that? Shh. Maybe it's just the wind. Did you open that window? Good! It's locked! I'm calling for help. Stay very quiet. Sreeja, shh. Don't move. Don't make a sound. Mother, please come home. Something happened.
Sreeja! Neil! Are you hurt? Are you okay?
We are okay, Mother. We were scared, but we are okay.